The weather's absolutely treacherous today, but we are heading to the store for I am in need of a energy drink and protein. Wow, no cork. For real. But wait, Greek yogurt vanilla, my savior. Viking berry. Who said I should buy Viking berry? Could you open it? Viking berry. Yo. So it's good. It's really good. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's got sugar too. 200 calories. 200 calories. But yeah, we gotta. Today's a rest day from the gym. Not really from the gym. We're doing cardio tonight. Cardio and core stuff like that tonight. Active rest day, but no workout in the morning. Tomorrow though. Tomorrow we're doing back legs. So tomorrow is hamstring and glutes, stuff like that. Just finished up work. Now we're heading out to do cardio, 20 minutes of cardio. And then I think we're gonna go home and cook up some stuff on the outdoor setup. Let's get it. Cardio is done, but that cardio session was way harder than usual. Super hot and low on food today. Let's go home and eat. Rain, really, we got rain. Yeah, ain't no rain stopping me from making a pump kitchen episode. We just adapt. Life is all about adapting and adjusting. We will be cooking right here 250 grams of salmon, 125 grams each, something like that. I'll cook it up on this bad boy right here. Let's get started. Let's get started. Why is it so quiet today? That's odd. Let's add the oil. If this works as good as I think it should be extremely good. But I've never tried to cook salmon like this. But this should be extremely, extremely good. Alright, definitely went like a minute too long. But to be honest, I think they're just gonna be amazing. No idea actually how long to cook them for. I think I'm just gonna let them, I turned off the heat, I'm just gonna let them sit in there for a while. Maybe like 2-3 more minutes. Should be good. It's about done. It's quite firm. Should be good. What do you think? I mean, went a little bit hard on this side, but looks pretty good, right? Let's go inside and wait for the rice to finish and we can eat. 2 minutes on the rice. Let's go. I'm not wearing any pants. Can you tell? You probably can't. Good. Just had a shower, waiting for the rice. Then we're gonna eat. I'm a bit too lazy. I'm not gonna do any veggies. I'm not doing any veggies. I'm just gonna have the rice, salmon, some sweet chili sauce, some salt. That's the meal. Where is my rice spoon? The rice is done. I did 400 grams of rice. I'll eat from this one 4 times. That's 100 grams raw. Don't have to overthink it. I want some more salt. There you go. And that is the meal. I know I said sweet chili sauce. I actually don't have any sweet chili sauce. I have some of this sauce, but I have to use this sparingly because it's quite high in calories. But I will add some of this sauce. Let's see how it is. The whole meal. I'm so freaking hungry. No. It's amazing. It's just amazing. Oh, freak. Thanks for watching the video. If you watched this far, you're a legend. And I'll catch you tomorrow for something else.